Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, June 4th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market today, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up another 8 3/4 points to 27.42.5 per contract. All in all, the futures holding up pretty well this morning. They are a little bit off their morning highs, but again, still gaining from Friday. So that's really all that matters here. We'll see how today plays out. Mondays have been very, very light regarding volume, and we probably will see more of that today. But again, we do have some stocks in the news, so let's get started here. I'm going to start off with the only earnings that I see really that is significant, which is Palo Alto Networks. Palo Alto right now trading at 213.20, closed at 209.19, so that has upticked a little bit here. Again, there's probably a fair amount of resistance in play at the moment. I wouldn't say resistance, I would just say an extended move. So if you take a look at Palo Alto, it's at new all-time highs here, but it is a little bit stretched, more so when you look at it on the bigger time frame. Take a look at a monthly chart, getting a little bit long in the tooth. But again, stock is higher ahead of the opening bell. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. It did trade all the way above the 217 level on Friday afternoon. So again, we'll see how this plays out going forward. But all in all, right now sitting at 213.20, and again, it closed at 209.19 on Friday. So again, pretty good little move for Palo Alto. No play on it. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If not, leave it alone. We have Micron in the news. As you know, Friday, Chinese regulators went in and raided an office, supposedly. So we'll see how that investigation goes. Stock is trading down a little bit here, not down too much. It closed at $58.74. It is now trading at $57.77. So we'll see how that plays out. We did have the ASCO conference go on over the weekend. Some big movers here. LOXO, that stock catching a big bid, closed at 186.69. Now trading at 212.50. Again, they come out and they talk about all their drugs that they have, these biofirms, and again, that one is catching a big move. I see IMMU. This is Immunomedics. This is also catching a pretty good move. Closed at 22.71. Now trading at 24.47. Then you have NKTR. I'm going to have a gap play for this one. This is getting absolutely slaughtered. Stock closed at $90.35. It is now trading at $63.65. So I'm going to have gap level ready for this one to go right at 9 a.m. That'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room. And again, another solid week last week, solid Friday. Chat room has been simply on fire in 2018. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room and check it out, see what it's all about, trade right alongside of us. Let's take a look at Merck. I think Merck also presented there as well. Stock is trading up a little bit, closed at $60.56, now trading at $61.65. So again, Merck has a lot of resistance in the $62 area, so just be aware of that. If you own it, trail the stop loss up to that level, then really tighten it up a little bit once you get there. We have some upgrades and downgrades here. It looks like we have Ross Stores, ROST. That's a retailer. They had an upgrade. Stock right now not really moving much, trading at 80.71. Looks like Whirlpool was also upgraded. That is trading at 149.50. That closed at 145.31. That's a nice move for Whirlpool today. So again, nice little $4 jump there. I think we also had TTD, which is the trade desk. This one trading at 85.20. This was downgraded, so closed at 86.64. Now trading at 85.20. So that's a little bit on the weaker side. You also want to keep an eye on Facebook today. Facebook, I believe, news coming out that they had data sharing arrangements with certain phone companies. So again, that is trading at 191.15, closed at 193.99. Again, Facebook just a bit overbought, also into resistance on the daily chart. So we'll see how that plays out going forward, but I don't see anything terrible there at the moment. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is trading up $1.80 today to $13.0110 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD, which is a good ETF to track the movement in gold. That's trading at 122.92, so that's up about 40 cents from Friday's close. Then we have Crude oil today down again, trading lower by 40 cents to $65.41 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO here, that's trading at $13.23. The USO is a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil. So again, we'll see how that plays out. All in all, we are seeing weakness in the dollar today. The US dollar index down a little bit as well. And again, dollar down will normally get gold to move higher, but we'll keep an eye on that throughout the rest of the trading day. All right, with that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Trade right alongside of us. We've had a blockbuster 2018. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we will see you all on the charts.